Any type of major shift in your current circumstances that you are in search of, know this. It is first going to take a major commitment and a major mind shift in the way you think. Here on this channel, I work on both. That is what I target. I'm targeting the changes you're going to have to make, and more so than any of it, the mindset you're going to have to shift into. Welcome back to Grow Rich, Grow Happy, the place where we follow the breadcrumbs of wealth so that we ourselves can be wealthy. Guys, today I have a video for you. And in this video, just to let you know, in this video, I'm going to be talking about what's going on in crypto right now, some news that I've come across that is going to affect your bags. I'm also going to drop two Easter eggs in here. Well, they're the same Easter egg, but you get what I'm saying. You'll see. And I'm going to be, during this video, I'm going to show you a little bit about research and what I mean when I say not only do your own research, but do it in a way that you can benefit. And I hope that when I make these videos, you guys see what I mean and you can kind of pick up some of the ways that I do things and kind of adopt them yourselves so that going forward, you'll know just what to do before you make major decisions when it comes to your investments. If all of that pans out, we're about to get on our way. If this is your first time here, do me a favor, smash that like button. Give me a sub. Consider giving me a subscription. And leave a comment. Leave a comment as well. That helps the channel grow. Plus, I love chatting with you guys down below. And hit that bell notification above all else so that you don't miss these videos. All right, guys, we're going to jump over here right now to the market. And I'm on Crypto Bubbles right now for those of you just joining. And check this out. Check this out. We are in the green. We are in the green, guys. Look at this. Look at it. Look at it. Hold on. Let me go to the top one, to a top 100 tokens. We are in the green. We are in the green. We are in the green. Yeah, that's good and it's bad. I wasn't really done getting some of my tokens. But it is what it is. So let me jump over here real quick, show you what's going on in the market. Let me do a quick refresh. Look at this, y'all. All right. We're at a 37. As for the fear and greed, it's moving up. Yesterday we were at a 33, just to let you know. But remember, this still is a big change. We see all that green, especially with how deep in the mud that we were. Remember, you have to ask yourself, even when things are going up, don't get so excited that you don't ask yourself questions like, why is there such a change? What is it? Is it like, what's going on? Just what's going on? So we're gonna look at Bitcoin, and we look at Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is at 57,000. Got to remember, yesterday it hit 55, so it's recovering really, really nice. A lot of you probably looking at that like, oh, it's just a couple thousand. Oh, it's just a couple thousand. What's the big deal? Well, it's a big deal because Bitcoin is expensive for one. Therefore, to move the needle on Bitcoin, a lot of money has to flow in. This ain't no like a few dollars or like 10 or 12 investors get in, they buy a fraction of a Bitcoin to move the needle. That ain't how you move the needle in Bitcoin. It takes a substantial amount of money. So you guys have to remember that when Bitcoin moves up like that and so fast, that means investor confidence is back and they're moving more money into Bitcoin. Likewise, when it's down, it takes a lot of selling pressure in order to move that needle down. Okay, so we got all that out the way. Now, let's move over here because I'm always checking this news. I want you guys to see something here. It says crypto market recovers as Germany gets back 200 million worth of Bitcoin from exchanges. Now, didn't we read that the Mount Gox, the whole thing that happened with Mount Gox and them seizing all of this stolen crypto or just recovering this crypto, they didn't really say where they got it back from. But that was the reason that a lot of the selling pressure was happening on Bitcoin, is because all of this money had to go back, they had to get this money back to people who invested in Bitcoin back in 2012 at the nice juicy price of $600. They had to give all of these people their Bitcoin back who lost their Bitcoin. It was just taken from this big exchange. So, these people eating peanut butter and jelly and potted meat and sardines and stuff. So they had to give them their money back so they can get some T-bones. Remember, we talked about that. Well, they did that, so everybody figured it was just going to keep pushing the price down. So I was a little bit surprised when I read this, and I was like, "Oh, I'm surprised, but I'm happy, and I'm following this trail, this breadcrumb trail to wealth, saying, okay, so this must be affecting the Bitcoin price if they got it back." So I'm not gonna go over the whole article. I'm gonna give you enough though. They say the crypto market saw a boost in sentiment on Tuesday as German government entity received over 200 million worth of the asset back from various exchanges. During Asia morning hours, Bitcoin was trading just above 57,300, reflecting a 3.5% increase the past 24 hours. So that's a lot of money. Remember, it takes a lot to move that needle. Other major tokens also experienced gains, with Solana's surging by 6%. I hope some of you guys out there got Solana. Don't cover it much on this channel. I do hold Solana though, and Solana is one of those long-term plays that I just believe in. It's going to be something major. It is talk of it possibly being an ETF as well. All right, and they say in Ether climbing back above 3,000, even Dogecoin saw a rise of nearly 7%. All of this is great for the crypto market, but more importantly, it's great for our pockets as well. The market, oh, come on. Are you freaking kidding me? I hate this Apple mouse. All right, so go back in here. Is this it? Yeah, this it. It took me off my stuff, man. Is this it? Yeah, this it. Dang. What the heck? Digital investment pillars. No, that's not it. Dang, man. Man. Hold on. Here it is. Bear with me. I'm sorry. All right. Dang. All right. Anyway, the sudden movement spooked traders, and this is back how they got rid of it. However, it was later revealed that the BKA received over 200 million back from exchanges such as Kraken, Coinbase, and Bitstamp within the past 12 hours. Data, Easter egg from Arkham indicates that while the asset while the assets were sent to these exchanges, they did not hit the market. Okay. Here's that Easter egg, Arkham again. The reason I'm talking about Arkham, that's that data security token that I'm always DCAing in, that I tell you guys about. Again, there's other tokens out there that deal in security too, but there's only one that these major articles are always referencing, and that is Arkham. That is a Easter egg. That is something you can't beat it, especially with the price it is now. Of course, none of this is financial advice, but pay attention. Okay, so I see that and I say, okay, oh, they gave it back. Average person, and this is for all of you out there, beginners and veterans as well, when you're looking at this kind of stuff. So I look at that and I say, great, they gave it back. Sweet, they gave back 200 million. Most people will walk away right now and say that's cool. I'm too inquisitive for that. First thing go off in my head. What's going off in your head first? I'm gonna give you an opportunity before I tell you what I'm thinking. What are you thinking from reading that article? And you say 200 million were given back to Germans by Kraken, Coinbase, and Bitstamp. These are major exchanges. I'll wait for a second. Okay, me, I'm just a nosy Parker. So first thing come off my head, why they give it back? Why they give it back? That's not good enough for me. So a good crypto researcher, or just looking into your investments period, what you want to do is probably search for that answer. So guess what? I did it for you. And I went and I was saying, what is going on here? I need to find out why they gave it back. Why they gave it back. So here it is here. Exchanges send 163 million worth of Bitcoin back to German government. So I'm like, really? So it says, after the German government transferred thousands of Bitcoin to exchanges and market makers on Monday, nearly 3,000 Bitcoin worth about 163 million were sent back later in the day. Well, and for those of you reading this, I like this channel because, I like to talk to the beginners, and I know it's a lot of you out there that's hearing some of these terms, and you're like, what the hell are they talking about? Well, when I come across something like that, I'm going to try to tell you. They said the thousands of Bitcoin was sent back to was sent to exchanges and market makers. A market maker is something like an aerodrome finance or a velodrome finance. Those are market makers. That's what those are. And they're the ones who control the liquidity and different things on like the base network. And then you have the optimism network. So when they say it was given back to exchanges, they mean the exchanges, but they also mean the market makers as well. Okay, exchanges likely sent Germany back to Bitcoin. Here it is. Here's the answer we're looking for. They sent it back after not succeeding and selling the crypto within a targeted price range. At one point, the price of Bitcoin dropped to about 55,200 on Monday. After the German government transferred more than 10,000 Bitcoin to exchanges and market makers early Monday, the country's authorities received nearly 3,000 Bitcoin back later in the day. And then it said, as of 4:15 Eastern Standard Time, Germany had received 2,898 Bitcoin, or about 163 million, primarily from Coinbase, Kraken, and Bitstamp, according to, here go that Easter egg again, Arkham Intelligence data. I'm telling you guys. So they sent it here, and they say they wasn't able to basically sell it at their particular price point that they were looking for. So they just went on and sent it back. So here it is. Here they say, considering some Bitcoin were sent back to German government from Coinbase, one can assume they were unsold Bitcoin as part of a sale agreement between the crypto exchange and the country. Zing said. So there it is right there, people. That's what's going on. That is why the market is so bullish right now and things are going up. And I'm going to take you to one other thing before I let you guys go, because this is important as well. And remember, this is, I'm showing you how to put the pieces of research together so you can form a valid conclusion to what's going on. And if you notice, some people wake up, you look at your phone, you say, oh, crypto's going up. Cool. I'm rich again. Or I'm a thousandaire again. But that's not good enough for me. And I don't want it to be good enough for you guys either. You need to find out why. So you can know how much longer you have to ape into some of these tokens, or if there's a chance it could crash again. And to do that, I'm going to take you one other place before I let you guys go. I hope you guys are still with me, because this is some valuable information. Okay, so we're gonna go over here to my Twitter, and the information is below for that as well. But if you come down here, Rec Capital, remember I tell you guys about these guys all the time. If you follow me on Twitter, you need to be following these guys as well, although I do post their stuff. They said on this recent rally, Bitcoin has a chance to reclaim its 60,600 as support to confirm last week's extension downwards as a fake breakout. So basically, that says we're not out the woods yet, but things are looking up. Things are looking up that it's going to continue going up. And here in the near future, hopefully we'll be right back to all-time highs and different things of that nature. But what I want you guys to look at this as an hourglass, basically saying that I really need to get in and get the tokens and these deals that I wanted. Some of these tokens, you might have to settle for the price that they are at. Take it from me. I'm one of those. I sat around and I just waited. Said, yeah, I needed to drop a few more points before I get in and grab some more of a Casper, or jump in and grab some more of an aerodrome and things of that nature. But you always even have to remind myself, it might not drop to where I really would like it to drop. I might have to get it at this point before it climbs and not return to that until maybe a bear market. So these are things I want you guys to consider as well. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And until the next one, you guys, this is a marathon. Remember, not a race. I'm out.